In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a landing page URL in Moosend. This is a quick but important workflow that helps you keep your links clear, on brand, and easy to share. Whether you're refining a campaign or tidying up old links, updating the URL slug is a simple way to improve user experience and tracking consistency. Start from your Moosend dashboard and head straight to landing pages. This is where all your existing pages live, making it easy to locate the one you want to adjust. Take a moment to scan the list and select your page. Picking the correct page is key, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns with similar names. Once your page is selected, click Edit. This opens the page editor where you control content and settings. You won't need to change the design for this task, so keep your focus on the configuration areas. Next, find the page settings or URL section. Depending on your layout, this is typically in a settings panel or sidebar. You're looking for the field that controls the page's URL slug. The slug is the part that appears at the end of the web address after the main domain. For example, if your domain is yoursite.com and the slug is summer offer, the full link becomes yoursite.com summer offer. This is what people will click, type, and share. Update the URL slug to something clear, short, and descriptive. Use lowercase letters, separate words with hyphens, and avoid spaces or special characters. Aim for a phrase that matches the page's purpose, like webinar sign-up, product launch, or limited offer. Keeping it concise helps readability and reduces the chance of errors when sharing the link. If the page is already live and in use, be mindful that changing the slug will change the final URL. Any existing ads, emails, or social posts pointing to the old address will need to reference the new one to avoid broken links. When you're happy with the new slug, click Save and Publish. This applies your change and makes the updated URL active. Publishing ensures your audience is sent to the correct address and that your analytics capture visits under the new link. In most cases, the update is immediate. If you're working with time-sensitive campaigns, plan the change during a quiet window to minimize disruption. That's it. You went to landing pages, selected your page, clicked Edit, found the page settings or URL area, updated the URL slug, and clicked Save and Publish. With that, your landing page link is cleaner, more consistent, and ready to share.